Hey guys, today I will show you how to get Aqua Sac in Monster Hunter World. Aqua Sac is a low rank material and it only drops from one monster, Juratodus. Here are the drop rates. Low rank hunt rewards give 1 Aqua Sac at 18%. Investigations have better odds. Bronze reward is 18% for 1. Silver reward is 14% for 2. And gold reward is 12% for 3. From my experience, you get better results by breaking as many monster parts as possible and capturing Geratodus instead of killing it. Captures give extra reward rolls which can increase your chances.
But I can't shake this feeling that
It has worked for me most of the time while farming Aqua Sac. And that's how to get Aqua Sac in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.